We back. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
We got the Suzuki 1986.
GS550.
Yeah, we're gonna change the oil on this thing.
Well needed fucking oil change.
Yeah, it's black. So what you want to look for is that plug right there. And then the filter will be right here in this thing. We're gonna get to that later. But right now, you already broke it loose. Is it loose? Can you spin it with your hand?
Nah, I still need to go a little more.
Go a little more.
Yeah. She needed the oil change already. Who knows how long it's been sitting.
Yeah, I got it off. Just gonna let it drain. Yeah, it doesn't look too crazy.
Right?
But it has been sitting.
For a good while.
Yeah, this bike's been sitting for a while. The tires were rotted out. Got a new front one.
Tomorrow gonna get a new one.
Yeah, gonna get a new one. You can see those cracks there. There. Everywhere. Yeah, so we're gonna let it drain. Here's the drain plug. Whenever you take it out, there's a little magnet on some bikes. Just make sure there's no shavings, metal shavings, because if you have a lot, that's a problem. Here's the old gasket O-ring, all torn up. So I got him this one. You can just buy a pack at O'Reilly. You slap that one on there. They also sell crush washers. But I had this in the house, so we're just gonna use this. We're gonna put it back now.
It's still dripping, is that fine?
Yeah, we already got most of it out. Here's my dog, Teddy. He's a fat boy. Teddy!
He's the mascot, man.
Move!
He's a licker.
How's it going?
It's going good. Hand tight.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and tighten it. And we'll be back. Alright, so we took that cap off that was here just to check out what was under there. This is just a sensor. I think we're just gonna leave it and just loosen these screws here. And take the filter out, put the new one. Let me show you how the filter. Teddy, come here.
Filter, Teddy.
Hey, fat boy.
Show the masses.
Here's one O-ring that it came with. Came with two of them, maybe for different types of bikes. Or maybe it uses both, we'll see. Here's the filter. So for this model, Suzuki, we didn't need this O-ring. We ended up using this one, but it's already on there. This is the old one. It's still good, but I'm still just gonna swap it out. Just putting everything back in. And let's see. Just have pressure like that.
Should we clean them or no?
Nah. There's the one. The other one's over here. Third one, let go up here. Just push it, yeah, like that. Don't let go. Third one's right there. That's it for the filter. And then we tighten them up, and then we fill her up. All right, we just added 1 quart. It says it takes about 2.5, 2 3/4. But we can check by this sight glass. So what you want is you want it high right now that the bike's off. But once it's running, it'll drop down to the middle or to low, which is normal. So we're gonna add some until it goes to where we want it. This bike takes 10W40. We got high mileage because it's an oldie. Even though it doesn't have that much miles, it's got 24,000.
Oldie but goldie.
Yeah. Oh no, actually it's got 23,000.
Almost.
Yeah.
Don't look at the speedo.
Yeah, that needle. You don't need a needle.
In today's
True biker don't need a needle.
You just go by the wind. Yeah. Just go with traffic.
Alright guys, you see we got it. It took about 3.5 quarts. And that's while it's running. You don't want it low and you don't want it all the way full, because then whenever it's off, it's all the way high. Yeah, this is a 1986 Suzuki GS550L. Yep, 550L.
Can't forget the L.
Yeah. And what did it take?
About 3.5 quarts.
No, the what kind of oil?
Oh, it was a 10W40.
Yeah, it was 10W40.